A customer is an individual who purchases goods and services from another company. A customer is a god for a company. Hello friends, I am Mamta. Welcome you to my channel. Today I'll discuss about how to improve customer handling skills. So let's start the video. What is customer handling skills? Customer handling skills is the ability to handle customer complaint and problems effectively. So it is the vital part of a company. So the importance of customer handling is complaints are the reality check for the business. So whatever business you are doing, so customers complaint is the part where you will know the reality of your business and to understand customer better. So by handling customer, you will know better to a customer what their needs, what their requirement, you will know better. And third point is improve the customer support. To grow a business, the customer support is the most important thing. So that's why by handling well customers, you will get support from them. Build customer loyalty. Then if a customer will happy, refers others. It's true. If you are sending a customer happily, they will send, he or she will send 10 customers, 20 customers. So like this, you will get more customers. And well customer handling will grow the lifetime value, will generate more revenue. So if your customer is going happily, so more and more customer will need the help from the company and they will come to us. So then we can generate more revenue. And to improve the quality of service. So by handling customers well, will improve our service because they will give proper feedback about the company, about the service. So then only we can improve. So now we'll see why customers complain. The customers complain because of 3-4 reasons. That is not listening to customers. So what is their problems? What is their issues? We should listen them carefully. If you are not listening while they are interacting with us, then only they complain. And the second point is behavior. Your staff's behavior should good towards the customers because all human being needs a good behavior from others. If they will not get the proper behavior, a good behavior, then only they complain. Then giving poor expectation, poor service than their expectations. So whatever expectations they have, if they are getting the poor service than that, then only they complain. And next is not getting proper information. So we should always give a correct and proper information to the customers. The next point is by not keeping the promises. So whatever promises we are doing or whatever commitment we are doing, if you are not delivering that, then only they complain. So now we'll see what customer want from us or a company. So customer need greet. They need a warm greet. And they seek value. The company should value their customers. And they need help from the company. And this next is listen them carefully. So whatever problem they are telling, whatever requirement they are telling, so the company staff should listen them carefully and invite him back. Again, give attention. So all customer needs a proper attention. So if you are fulfilling these needs, then they will not be like they will not complain. So now we'll see what should be our attitude. So our attitude should be towards helping customers always. We should always handle people well and be understanding their language. So whatever language they are saying, we should understand them and give equal and fair treatment to all our customers. So now we'll see what we should avoid while handling the customer. So saying I don't know without offering an option. If they are seeking any help from you and you simply, if you don't know, then don't say no, I don't know. So give them option A, B, C. And if you don't know exactly the answer, so seek help from your colleagues. But do not say that I don't know. And if your customer is searching for your colleagues, again, don't know that where he or she is. So make them sit and search for your colleagues. And while talking over phone, do not hold the customer for a long time. It is a bad manner. So if you are talking over phone, so and you are handling customers at a time, more customers at a time, then handle properly. Do not make them on hold for a long time. The next point is ignoring people if you are busy. So in our workplace, all are being busy. So while being busy, if you are ignoring the people, so that make a bad scene. So that's why uh, if you are busy, so you should tell them properly and you should take help from your colleagues and treating people unequality. So these are we should avoid in while handling the customers. So now we'll see how to improve customer handling skills. So there are 8 points here in this video. So we'll see one by one. The first one is know your customers. So there are various types of customers. So you have to understand which type of customers he or she and what is their needs, what is their expectations. The second point is show empathy. So always show empathy to your customers. Try to put your feet in their shoes. It means that try to understand their problem and show them that you are also simultaneously worried about their problem. By showing empathy, you will create a place in them and you will build a good relationship or trust in them. Be an active listener. The most important thing is always be an active listener. Whenever you are handling the customer, so leave them to tell you everything and listen them carefully. Focus on them. Well, when you focus on them, they will feel happy and do not use any mobile, laptop, computer or any other gadget while speaking. The next point is give correct information and prompt reply. So customer seeks correct information and prompt reply. When you are handling a customer, try to give clear information and correct information with promptness. Show your confidence in your reply by getting confident answer. They will have trust on you and you can easily handle the queries of a customer, any customer. The fifth point is use positive language. So your words have the power to create trust and build a beautiful relationship with your customers. So whenever you are interacting with your customer, use positive words like I'll find out the solution for you. Do not worry, I'll help you as much as possible. But do not say that I don't know what can I do and how I'll do that. So your words always be positive. Reply always in a positive way. Do not use any negative words or do not use any negative sentences. The sixth point is be willing to learn. To provide good service to customers is a skill. These skills can be learned and improved. So always be willing to learn a good customer service skills and learn from your mistakes. Whenever you are doing mistakes, accept it and learn from it. The seventh point is increase attentiveness and patience. So, customer handling service needs lots of attentiveness and patience. So, make an eye contact, listening to what your customers has to say, following the conversation and responding appropriately will increase your attentiveness and also patience. The last and eighth point is measure and analyze your customer feedback. There should be an option to collect the customer feedback and analyze it. Always seek a feedback, whether it is bad or good, doesn't matter. It will help to improve the quality of service. So these are the 8 points on which we can focus to improve our customer handling skills. If you like my video, please press the like button, share my video and subscribe my channel. I'll come with another video. Thank you.